when only superior properties will do the job right, when component strength and performance predictability are critical throughout your life cycle, when your need calls for one-of-a-kind or high-volume runs with outstanding repeatability, when your tolerances are tight and quality control is crucial, when in-house designs demand real-world validation, when cost control strategies reach beyond quick-fix mentality to embrace the big picture, when material options are part of the plan, stability is part of the supplier equation, and consistent delivery part of the expectation, there can only be one solution: forging.